Hello viewers, myself is Parminder Singh from Prab Kirpa Classes. Today is 6th July 2026. Let us have a look at daily current affairs by way of MCQs. So let us start. The first question before us is, the historic Amarnath Cave Shrine is located in which state or union territory? The options before us are Ladakh, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir or Uttarakhand. The correct answer is Jammu and Kashmir. Information: Prime Minister Narendra Modi extended his best wishes to devotees embarking on Amarnath Yatra. Significant religious places are common in competitive exams. Static GK: the Amarnath cave is famous for a naturally formed ice shivling. Possible exam question: which Hindu deity is worshipped at the Amarnath cave shrine? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick revision: Amarnath cave shrine, Jammu and Kashmir, which is a union territory now. The next question before us is, liquefied natural gas is primarily transported in which form? The options before us are solid form, powder form, liquid form or gas cylinders only. Here you can find in the question itself that here it is written liquefied. So you can conclude that it is in liquid form. So the answer is liquid form. Information: liquefied natural gas, that is LNG, is natural gas cooled to minus 162 degrees Celsius to convert it into a liquid for easier transportation. Benefits: energy related questions are common in exams. Static GK: the volume of natural gas is reduced by about 600 times when liquefied. Possible exam question: at approximately what temperature is natural gas liquefied to form LNG? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick reason: LNG minus 162 degrees Celsius. Question 3: who appoints the Prime Minister of India? The options before us are Chief Justice of India, Vice President, President of India, Speaker of Lok Sabha. The correct answer is President of India. Information: the President of India appoints the Prime Minister under Article 75 of the Constitution of India. Benefits: constitutional questions are frequently asked in the exams. Static GK: Article 75 explicitly deals with the appointment of the Prime Minister and other ministers. Possible exam question: under which article of the Constitution is the Prime Minister of India appointed? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick reason: PM appointed by President of India. Question 4: Vikram 1, developed by Skyroot Aerospace, is India's first privately developed. The options before us are satellite, drone, orbital rocket, or fighter aircraft. The correct answer is orbital rocket. Information: Vikram 1 is expected to mark a major milestone for the country's private space industry. Benefits: space missions are important for all competitive exams. Strategy: Vikram 1 has been appointed has Vikram 1 has been developed by Skyroot Aerospace. Possible exam question: Vikram 1 is named after which Indian scientist? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick reason: Vikram 1, Skyroot Aerospace. In early July 2026, Russia launched one of its deadliest and most massive attacks of the year on the capital of which country? The options are Poland, Belarus, Ukraine, or Finland. The correct answer is Ukraine. The war has been going on between Russia and Ukraine for many months of the past. Information: Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, witnessed a major drone and missile strike in early July 2026. Benefits: international conflicts are important current affairs topics. Static GK: Kyiv is the capital of Ukraine. Possible exam question: which country's capital was targeted by Russia in July 2026? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick reason: Russia's deadly 2026 strike Kyiv, Ukraine. Question 6: the United States celebrated its Independence Day in 2026. The options before us are 200th, 225th, 250th, or 275th. The correct answer is 250th anniversary. The United States celebrated the 250th anniversary of its Independence Day on 4th July 2026. Benefits international events are important in exams. Static GK. Year of independence of USA was 1776 and 250th anniversary has been celebrated in July 2026. Possible exam question: on which date does the United States celebrate its Independence Day? You can give the answer of this theme in the comment box. USA, 4th July, 250 years of independence. Question 7. Which color alert issued by the India Meteorological Department indicates the highest level of weather warning? The options are yellow, green, orange, or red. The correct answer is red. You can here find out the 4 different colors in which the warning is given. You should also understand the while the red alert stands for that you should take action. Orange alert means be prepared, yellow alert means be aware, and green alert means no warning. In the questions, there may be in the exams there may be question what the yellow alert means, what the orange alert means. So you should understand all of what the relevant alert means. Information: a red alert is the highest level of warning indicating extremely severe weather and the need to take immediate action. Benefits: frequently asked weather related GK. Static GK. Weather Forecasting Agency of India is India Meteorological Department, that is IMD. Possible exam question: which IMD color alert indicates the highest level of weather warning? You can give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick revision: highest IMD warning is red alert. Question 8. Liquefied natural gas is primarily composed of which gas? The options are oxygen, nitrogen, methane, or carbon dioxide. The correct answer is methane. Information: liquefied natural gas, that is LNG, is primarily composed of methane. Significant science-based question frequently asked in the exams. Static GK. Methane has the chemical formula CH4. Possible exam question: LNG is transported in which form? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick reason: LNG, methane, CH4. Question 9. Kyiv is situated on the banks of which river? The options are Danube, Rhine, Dnieper River, or Volga. The correct answer is Dnieper River. Kyiv, the capital of Ukraine, is located on the banks of Dnieper River. The Dnieper plays a vital role in transportation, water supply, and hydroelectric power. Benefits: world geography questions may appear in the exams. Static GK. Dnieper is both the longest and the largest river in Ukraine, and the total length of the river is 2,201 kilometer. Possible exam question: Kyiv is situated on the banks of which river? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick revision: Kyiv, Dnieper River. Question 10. Which organization is responsible for assigning names to tropical cyclones in North Indian Ocean? The options before us are ISRO, NDMA, RSMC New Delhi, or UNESCO. The correct answer is RSMC New Delhi. Information: the Regional Specialized Meteorological Center, that is RSMC New Delhi, is responsible for assigning names to tropical cyclones over the North Indian Ocean. Benefits: frequently asked in geography and disaster management. Static GK. RSMC functions under the IMD, that is India Meteorological Department. Possible exam question: which body names cyclones in the North Indian Ocean? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick reason: Cyclone Naming Authority, RSMC New Delhi. Question 11. The Manas National Narcotics Helpline, which made news in July 2026 for approaching a milestone of 1 million connection attempts, primarily provides support for which type of following? The options before us are road safety complaints, drug reporting, counseling and rehabilitation support, or tax-related grievances, or agricultural advisory services? The correct answer is drug reporting, counseling and rehabilitation support. Information: the Manas helpline aims to strengthen the fight against drug abuse by providing confidential drug reporting, counseling and rehabilitation support. Significance: encourages citizens to support the Nasha Mukt Bharat campaign through confidential drug reporting. Static GK: toll-free helpline of Manas is 1933. Possible exam question: which ministry controls the Manas platform? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick revision: Manas toll-free helpline 1933. Question 12. Which international sports body recently introduced the return to play post-pregnancy guidelines for women cricketers? The options before us are Board of Control for Cricket in India, International Cricket Council, or Asian Cricket Council, or International Olympics Committee. The correct answer is International Cricket Council, that is ICC. Information: the return to play post-pregnancy guidelines are designed to ensure that no woman cricketer has to choose between motherhood and representing her country at the highest level. Significance: this is the landmark policy in the international sports and a high yield topic for UPSC, SSC, banking and state PSC exams. And these guidelines encourage national cricket boards to adopt similar guidelines for women cricketers. Static GK: governing body for world cricket is International Cricket Council. Possible exam question: where is ICC headquartered? You may give the answer of the same in the comment box. Quick revision: return to play post-pregnancy guidelines issued by ICC. Thank you for your time and attention. See you next time.